Okay, this is my second YouTube video, and we're going to be going fishing again. If you didn't see the last video, my cousin got hooked by a bait. By a hook, I mean. Got to go watch that video, and we'll be, probably hear him riding his four-wheeler. He's already heading over to the lake. We'll be down at the lake fishing. Got all my stuff set up. And, okay, I'll see you guys down there at the lake. Made it down to the lake. Bryson's already got one. He's putting it back. Oh, he's bringing it back out. Oh, he finally got done mowing. I didn't start the video because he was mowing, and or else we would have started a while ago. Don't worry, we didn't catch any fish.
Actually, I caught
One, but that was little. We didn't need to put that one on. And so, we'll be back if we catch any more. We saw a huge snapping turtle too, so we'll see if we can capture that on camera.
They all hook into the catfish.
Yeah. We'll be back. Catch it.
Swiped at it, got it in his mouth, and then look, he got it.
Bryson's got another one.
Hooked, it just did. You guys missed the hook again. Like yesterday.
Oh yeah, I gotta go watch the other video. Yesterday's video. It was funny. It was funny. Funny. I will be back when we catch one of them more fishes. And he's got another one. Oh, I just let it go. Why would you do that?
It slipped out of my hands.
That's what happened to my other one. Also,
I
I had it in the
out
film.
the water and be like, what the heck did I just grab one out of the water?
That would be lying. That's not good. Everyone, do not lie like this kid. You see what you get. You're going to get hooked again. You'll get hooked again. What the heck? Them ducks sounded weird. Well, we'll be back if we catch any more. We're out the lake still, and Bryson's got a crappie. A real small one. But I'm using my flashlight now because it's really dark out. So, we'll probably fish a little longer, and yeah, no, it's really warm. Anyway, didn't really do so good yet, but we'll see if we can catch any more.
You got one on.
Get off my line!
Oh, you got one on.
Get off! No, I do not. Such a liar.
Yeah, popped it off.
Oh, liar. Whatever. We'll be back if we catch any more.
I'll tell him about the morning thing.
Oh, I will if we don't catch any more. Bryson's got another one.
Chunk.
Can barely see. This light does not go far enough. There. That's a little one. It's a littler one.
Oh, she got some clamping power. Oh.
If we don't catch any more, we'll be coming down here in the morning. We'll come down here in the morning to see if we can catch anything in the morning if we don't catch anything else here at night. So,
but I'm catching them, and the sore loser over here.
Shut up. I caught some.
Ew.
Just saying.
Oh, fat.
Crap.
Oh, dude, I so want to get swimming.
I'm not swimming in this.
It's so warm.
Okay, well, we'll be back if we catch any more.
Or if we go swimming.
Or not swimming.
Yes, we are. Go listen to the owner of the